Good morning, students. Welcome to my class. So, today in class 4A Moral Science, we are going to do lesson 4. Okay, this is caring. We are going to do lesson 4, that is caring. Okay, and from where caring comes? So, caring comes from courage. Okay, from caring comes courage. If you want to help someone, you need courage, isn't it? If you want to help someone who is really in need, you need courage, and courage comes from your heart. Courage comes straight from your heart. So, in this lesson, we are going to talk about caring. What actually caring is? So, you can say caring, you can define caring as someone or something that shows kindness and concern for others. If you are kind to others, you show concern for others. A person who is concerned about others and who does kind things for them is an example of someone who could be described as caring. See, if you are caring about others, you have concern about others, you have feelings about others. Okay, you want to help others. You are, and those who are kind to others, okay, is an example of someone who would be described as caring. We can say that kind of person is you can say that kind of person really cares for someone. He is caring. We can describe that person as caring, isn't it? You see, the heading of this lesson is caring, and underneath that it is written there, never be so busy as not to think of others. We should not be so much busy among ourselves that we close our eyes. We don't see our surroundings, isn't it? So there may be people who needs our caring. They may need a kind act from us, isn't it? So we should always be caring. Okay, caring people are polite. How will they be? Their nature. They'll be polite, considerate, generous, affectionate. They will be patient. They will be understanding, loving, and above all, forgiving. Okay, you have to be forgiving. We have to be forgiving if we want to be caring. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about caring. You will see here we are going to talk about two small children, Bhanu and Kavya. We are going to talk about in this lesson how with their act of kindness, you will learn that with their act of kindness, how they are so much concerned about others, how they are so much caring about others. Okay, so let us start. Today, Bhanu could not concentrate on his studies. Something must be there, that's why he could not concentrate. And how could he? This day had come after a long wait. See, he was waiting for this day. So it was a very special day. When will the class finish? So he was waiting for the class to finish. Okay, after school, Bhanu ran as if he was being chased by a tiger. When a person runs very fast, when he is in too much hurry, isn't it? He has some other work and he is in too much hurry. So after school, what happened? Bhanu ran as if he was being chased by a tiger, as if a tiger was behind him. A tiger was chasing him. I am going to the circus with Kavya. So one boy asked him. So first one boy asked him, "Hey Bhanu, why are you in such a rush to get home? Why are you running? Why are you in such a hurry?" So what Bhanu replied that I am going to the circus with Kavya. So he was going, where he was going? He was going to the circus with whom? With Kavya, his sister. Now you see here another picture, you please follow. At the ticket window, there was a family in the queue, in the line. In front of Kavya and Bhanu, there was a family, okay, in the line. There were 3 children with their parents. So, how many children were there? There were 3 children with their parents. My friends at school told me the act with the birds is terrific. So, they are discussing. See here in the line, all are discussing. Okay, my friends at school told me what his friends were discussing, that the act with the bars is terrific. So there were, because they went to see the circus, and in circus there are so many activities, so many things they show. So they were really very excited and happy also. I think the act of the animals will be the best. So they are discussing, you see, that the friends are discussing. So they are thinking that the act of the animals will be the best, because there are many animals perform: elephants, lions, tigers. I want to watch the clowns. I think I will enjoy at the most. So these things who are discussing, the small children are discussing all these things. Okay, that my friends at school told me that the act with the birds is terrific. This small, they were the family. They had 3 small children and they were discussing. I want to watch the clowns. I think I will enjoy that the most. See, those small children, they were very, very excited to watch the circus. And they were talking about the clowns, about the animals. Brother, it looks like these children have come to watch the circus for the first time. Who is saying these lines? Kavya is saying to her brother Bhanu that I think that these children who came to see the circus, maybe for the first time they came to see the circus. Really, they look so excited. So Bhanu was saying, yeah, by seeing them, by hearing what they are talking, they can easily they can guess that they were very excited to see the circus. Please turn to next page. Just then it was the children's father turn at the ticket window. See, at the ticket window, who was standing now? Whose turn? It was the children's father. Their father's turn it was. May I have 3 children and 2 adult tickets, please? So he wanted how many tickets altogether? 5 tickets. 2 for adult and 3 for children. 400 rupees. How much did you say? 400. So who was giving the tickets? That man replied, 400 rupees. How much did you say? The children's father, he said, how much did you say? 400. Yes. Oh, I thought maybe he was not having so much money, and the father left his sentence finished. So see, oh, I thought, then he could not say anything. Okay, because why? From here we can understand he was not having so much money. The amount of the tickets were 400 rupees and the father was not having, maybe the children's father, he was not having so much money. What do I do now? Where will I find the courage to disappoint the children? What do I do now? Now he is thinking in his mind, now what will I do? And now how could he say all these things to his children, because they were so excited, they will be so sad, they will be so disappointed. Bhanu and Kavya understood the situation. Bhanu and Kavya, they were standing there only. So they understood the whole situation, what was going on. Bhanu whispered something in Kavya's ear. So Bhanu said something in his sister's ear. Kavya quietly took out a 100 rupee note. See what she did. What Kavya did, she quietly and slowly she took out a 100 rupee note and from his pocket and dropped it on the floor. So what she did, she took out that 100 rupee note from his brother's pocket and dropped it on the floor, on the ground. Bhanu bent down to pick up the note. Now Bhanu picked up the note, okay? He bent down and offered it to the children's father. He gave it, he offered it, sir, that this is your money. Okay, he offered it to the children's father. Excuse me, sir, now you see. So Bhanu is talking with the children's father. Excuse me, sir, your money had dropped on the floor. Bhanu is saying that, sir, your money had dropped on the floor. My money? It's not possible. So the man said, the children's father said that, this is not my money, it is impossible. Yes, sir, this fell down as you were taking the money out of your pocket. It is your money. Yes, sir, this fell down as you were taking the money out of your pocket. So what Bhanu said? Bhanu said that, sir, this is your money. when you were taking out money for the tickets, this money, this has fallen from your pocket. It is your money. He was saying to the children's father, thank you, son. I thank you with all my heart. You see. So the man thanked him with all his heart. Actually, the man understood. So he said, thank you, son. I thank you with all my heart. From his heart he is saying. Bhanu and Kavya waited till the family entered the circus ground. Come, shall we go now? Now you see Bhanu and Kavya, what they were seeing the whole situation. Now they were waiting. The man took the tickets. Okay, they entered the circus. So till that time, Bhanu and Kavya both were waiting. Come, shall we go now? Kavya is saying to her brother that shall we leave now? Bhanu and Kavya started going home. See, both of them, they could not see the circus. But instead, they helped a family to see the circus. The small children who were so excited to see the circus, they did not have enough money to buy the tickets because already they have, Bhanu and Kavya, they gave 100 rupee to the children's father. So now they had shortage of money. They could not watch the circus. In spite of all the eagerness, Bhanu did not watch the circus that night. See, Bhanu was also very excited. He came running from school. Whole day he was waiting. So to see the circus. But he did not watch the circus that night. Instead, he helped a family. But whenever he recalled the smiling faces of those three children going into the circus ground, he experienced unparalleled happiness. Now you see here, children, that Bhanu did not see the circus. But when he saw the children's smiling faces, he forgot his pain that he could not see the circus. He was remembering those smiling faces and he was very happy for them. That happiness was much more than the joy of watching the circus. He wanted to watch the circus, but their happiness he thought was much more important than him. So he helped them. So how nice. Bhanu and Kavya did a very good job, a very kind act they did. They helped a family. They brought smiles in the faces of the children who wanted to see the circus. Really, from here, there are so many things to learn. Isn't it that Bhanu and Kavya were polite, they were so much considerate, they were generous, they were affectionate, they understood the situation, they were loving. Isn't it? So many qualities here we come to know about Bhanu and Kavya. Really, here we have learnt that if we care about someone, if we help someone, we feel happy in our heart. We really feel happy, isn't it? That's why it is already we discussed that from caring comes courage, and it should come from your heart to help others. That courage should come from within, from your heart. Okay, children, please go through this lesson. This is caring in moral science. Thank you.